Hi you guys, welcome back to another video.
Soundstripe.
Hey guys, I know you guys struggle with cut creases. I'm not sure, about this whole thing, but I'm about to do a cut crease for hooded eyes that's going to blow your mind. Simple, easy, about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm lying. It's probably going to be about 5 minutes, maybe 10. You never know. But this cut crease is going to be superb. This is going to be my first time doing a cut crease, so I really don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, let's go ahead and roll. Let's do this. I am going to apply some e.l.f. face primer. It's not eyelid primer because I don't have any. And just put it right there on our lid. It's beautiful. Alright, so we're going to want to take this e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and we're just going to want to place it on our eyelid. Put it on our brushes like that. Apply. And one eye at a time. I don't know why this stuff dries, but yeah. You're just going to want to pat it. Looks like we're going somewhere with this. We're going to sweep it. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you can be notified for when I upload new videos. You guys, keep watching. We got that blended out so pretty. Today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Icon by Absolute. Remember guys, this is my first time doing this, so we're going to apply a base, a really good eyeshadow base. I don't know which color. Okay, I'm thinking we should go with white. We're going to be going in with the color Diamond. Am I pointing to it? Diamond. Yeah, you guys know. And we're just gonna apply right there. I'm not really good at eyeshadows, but I'm learning. Like I said, I was playing with cut creases this morning. I was like, oh my god, this is like the best thing ever. So I was like, let me tell my viewers. And those who are just subscribed to my channel for makeup, I'm letting you guys know now, this just ain't a makeup channel, y'all. It's called Everything Queen Chia for a reason. So, meaning, what am I doing? Everything. Gaming. I'm doing gaming. I'm doing everything. Just not gonna be makeup, y'all. Don't be unsubscribing when you see a gaming video because there's gonna be some makeup. I don't know why, but people do that. Oh, it's not a video that I want to see. I'm just gonna unsubscribe. Well, guess what? The next video is gonna be what you want to see. You might want to stay tuned. You might want to stay subscribed. Okay. All right. I'm gonna do a lighter color. I'm just gonna go in like this. We're going in with Salmon. We're just applying it right here. For those who have hooded eyes, apply. Don't apply in your crease, apply on the bone. If I mess up on this cut crease, don't judge me. Just know this is a great technique I'm going to show you. Okay, now we're going to go in with this kind of brush. And we're going to apply a darker color. Because that one right there, nice. Lightly tap it because we don't want too much product on our eyes when we're doing these cut creases right now. Because we are beginners. Okay. We're going only to right here because we're going to stop our cut crease right there because we're going to do some magical stuff to it, you know what I mean? Alright. Okay. Next, we're going to take our e.l.f. Camo Concealer again, and we are going to put it on this brush like this. And I think I'm going to start with my right eye. I'm going to put it down at the bottom. Pack it on there. And we're going to open our eye. See that? There's your cut crease for hooded eyes. I'm going to take some more of this product. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're going to carefully clean it up. And that's the cut crease for that. However, we're not done. I'm going to, again, we're going to use our finger. And we're going to place on our eyelids. I should have did my whole eyes the same. Like, alright. Now we are going to blend this. Maybe cut creases just ain't for me. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. Okay, don't mind my hair, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this cut crease. I hope you guys can learn a lot from this video because I know cut creases are very hard to do. But if you follow these instructions, if you do what I just did, then you ain't gonna have no problems. You ain't not gonna have no problems. So go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. What? I said a big thumbs up. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and like, subscribe, turn your notification bell on for more videos. Bye bye.